Hey guys, today I will show you how to access the staking feature in Trust Wallet. First, go to the Earn section. Here you'll find a native staking tab that displays current staking rates for various cryptocurrencies. Staking involves locking your coins on the blockchain to support network operations, but this restricts your ability to trade or move them during the staking period. In return, you earn interest on your staked assets. For example, clicking on BNB will show its staking details. A drawback here is the high minimum requirement full BNB, which costs around $500 $600 depending on market prices. If you meet this threshold, you could earn a 4% APR. To stake, click the stake button. Note that the lockup period is only 7 days, which is shorter than many other staking options. However, the required amount can still be significant. Enter the desired amount 1 BNB, then select a validator. Validators are groups managing blockchain resources, and while some prioritize reputation, others offer higher APYs. Before proceeding, research validators online to understand their reliability and performance. Staking carries risks like slashing penalties or validator failures, so always evaluate these factors. By understanding the mechanics and risks, you can confidently stake your crypto and earn rewards.